connect Dropship.io to Shopify, you need to follow these steps. Sign up and log in. Create an account on Dropship.io if you haven't already. Log into your account. Authorize Shopify access. In Dropship.io, navigate to the Settings or Integrations section and select Shopify. Follow the prompts to authorize Dropship.io to access your Shopify store. Import products. Once connected, you can import products from Dropship.io to your Shopify store. Browse the available products and select the ones you want to sell. Customize listings. After importing products, customize their listings to match your branding and store preferences. You can adjust product titles, descriptions, prices, and images. Set pricing and margins. Determine your pricing strategy and set profit margins for the products you imported. Consider factors like cost, competition, and target market when pricing your products. Sync inventory and orders. Ensure that your inventory levels stay accurate by syncing inventory data between Dropship.io and Shopify. This helps prevent overselling and back orders. Test and launch. Before launching your store, test the integration to ensure that products are displaying correctly and orders are processing smoothly. Once everything looks good, launch your Shopify store with Dropship.io products available for purchase.